I've been picking up some whole pineapple and I froze a little bit. Let's go meet your destiny. And I think it would make a great version of a frozen margarita. Let's try it out. Okay, with drinks like these, I think preparing the glasses is just as important as preparing the drink. So let's do that. A little coarse kosher salt, some sugar in the raw, and a little sprinkle of ground chipotle pepper. On the other plate, a little bit of lime juice. Just a little dip in the lime juice. Little roll through our sugar, salt, chipotle pepper mixture. Looks terrific. Okay, on to our spirits. So we're making 2 drinks, and each drink contains 2 ounces of a tequila blanco, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, 1 ounce of lime juice, and I do like a little honey or agave syrup, so that's what I'm putting in today. Just a little pinch of salt. This is our classic margarita mix, and now I need to get to our fruit. Okay, I cut these pineapple chunks a couple days ago. They're pretty thin, maybe a 1/4 inch thick by about 1 inch wide. I think that's easier for the blender. And I reckon about 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple per drink, along with about 1/2 cup of ice to keep it all nice and frozen and frothy. Our ice, our pineapple chunks, now all of our liquid items. I'm excited. As I'm blending this drink, the sun has come out. I think this drink just brings on that warm, sunny weather. Love it. Oh, come on over here, hun. We need a garnish. Exciting. Looks very good. We need some fun stuff going on here. Yeah, I think maybe even still a lime wedge. Oh, those look great. Now, who's going to drink both of these? May warm weather find you wherever you are, and drink responsibly. That sugary, spicy, salty rim adds something really good to it. The pineapple actually makes it kind of frothy. It's delicious. That sweetness of that pineapple against the tequila, the orange liqueur, the lime, so good. You can also sub out 1/2 of the tequila for Mezcal if you like that sort of smoky, resiny flavor as well. It goes really good with pineapple. Oh yeah, if you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Okay, babe, let's finish the job. You definitely get more than if you buy it in the store already chopped up. Bonus lesson. I've been picking up, doing that. It doesn't all fit.